Why you are here and your candidate, when is he coming in the country?
All right, I just wanted to confirm that we've managed to successfully file the nomination papers on behalf of our client, and thereafter we should just wait to hear from Savior Kasukuwere himself as to the rollout plan for his campaign, but it should be kickstarting anytime soon.
And are you confident that he first and foremost will be accepted, given that he has been out of the country for quite some time?
The nomination itself has been accepted, we've completed, we've filed successfully as of now.
Where is he?
His whereabouts, I cannot divulge, but he's going to be available to campaign for himself, because as you know, if you're a presidential candidate, you need to hit the ground running, you need to meet with your electorate and sell them your ideology, your proposals, and get them to vote for you. So he's not going to campaign outside the country, he's going to come, he's going to be around.
Are there any legal issues that probably could that could hinder his campaign, given that we've heard that he could be arrested for some things?
There are no legal reasons that could affect his campaign, and he is going to be campaigning.
The full name and title then?
Jacqueline Sunday.
Sorry?
I'm the chief election agent for Savior Kasukuwere.
We missed that.
Jacqueline Sunday.
Position?
The chief election agent for Savior Kasukuwere.